And he said unto me, behold, the virgin whom thou seest is the mother of the Son of God. Okay, so I'm gonna do a pause right here because somebody's probably gonna make a comment on the video saying, well, in First Nephi chapter 11, it didn't originally say Son of God. And I know that, right? It said the mother of God. Actually, I have this right here. This is the first edition of the Book of Mormon. And let's see right here. Knowest thou the condescension of God? And I said unto him, I know that he loves his children. And he said unto me, behold, the virgin whom thou seest is the mother of God after the manner of the flesh. Okay, so a lot of people who try to make this a big deal say, well, look, Joseph Smith went back and he changed it, and it said God, now it's the Son of God. What they don't say right here is right before this section, in the same chapter, it says the Spirit basically tells Nephi what he's about to behold, right? He says, well, because thou believest in the Son of the Most High God. So Son of, this is the original Book of Mormon. Behold, this thing shall be given unto thee for a sign, that after thou hast beheld the tree which bore the fruit which thy father saw, thou shalt also behold a man descending out of heaven. And him shalt thou witness, and after that ye have witnessed him, ye shall bear record that it is the Son of God. Okay, so in the original Book of Mormon, literally, you're going to say that this guy who you see coming down condescending, right, is the Son of God. Okay, so it doesn't matter if over here on the next page it's saying Mother of God, right? This is the Son of God. Because look, even right after it says that, he'll say right here, the angel said, behold the Lamb of God, yea, even the eternal Father, right? It shall say right here, and I looked and I beheld the Son of God going forth among the children of men. Okay, Jesus Christ is God. Okay, saying he is God or the Son of God, it does not matter. So this is just kind of to throw this whole point out. If someone brings it up, or if you ever come across that, yes, Joseph Smith went back and in a later edition, he said, you know what, I want to give this more clarity. I don't want people to be confused. He probably didn't like Mother of God and maybe people trying to tie in a lot of Marian understandings, because that is a lot of what Orthodox and Catholics would use Mother of God language to go to Mary. And so that's a possible reason. But before and after, it talks about Christ as the Son of God. And throughout the Book of Mormon, as we just read in the title page, it talks about Christ as God, the eternal God. We're going to read more about that. It's not Joseph Smith going back and changing his mind. It's, as we're doing right now, pointing the fact that he is divine. He is God. He is more than simply a man.